I'm sorry. Very good. All right, you all did a great job. Yes.
With that one, why can't you just like square 4p and square
You can do like a shorthand trick. However, what you're doing, you're not saying just 4p squared and then negative 1 squared, and that's your answer. You're actually having to do your first term by your first term, your first term by your last term, and so on. So
and you
that
wouldn't
is
get your p terms.
right. You wouldn't see if you did that, you would get this term and this term, but you wouldn't get this. And so if you have 16p squared plus 1, that's not the same thing as this, and this is the correct answer. So you'll be very careful. That's a very good question. I'm glad you asked that. Be very careful about trying to do shorthand things. Just go ahead and work it all out. And once you get very comfortable, you can start doing, maybe learning some of the little tricks. If y'all look down at numbers 19 through 24, those are, we're starting to multiply 2 terms by 3 terms. I want y'all to do the rest of these for homework, and those are going to be bonus. So for everyone you get right, if you do them all, attempt them all, I'll give you a half a point. If you get them right, you get a half a point for your test next week. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do number 19 because y'all haven't seen these are harder to do. And then do the rest of them for homework, and you'll get bonus points on your test. Okay, so for number 19. Okay, there's no cute acronym for this one. Remember when we were doing first, outside, inside glass, we were drawing our rainbows, that's what I call them. All we're doing in this is you're just going to multiply your first term by every term in the parentheses, and then you're going to multiply your second term by every term in the parentheses. So we're going to have our 4a times 6a squared and get 24a cubed. Remember, when you multiply variables, you add your exponents. Then we're going to do our 4a times negative a. We're going to get negative 4a squared. Then we're going to do our first term times our third term and get 8a. So this is our first variable. Now we're going to multiply our second variable. By all of them. Okay, 2 times 6a squared. We're going to get 12a squared. I like to go ahead and find, this is a cube, this is a squared. I'm going to come here underneath this one because I like to keep my variables the same. So this is going to be a positive 12a squared. Then we're going to multiply our second term by our middle term and get minus 2a. And then we're going to multiply by our last term and get plus 4. All you do now is just add these together. This is a positive. This is the bigger number is positive, so we're still going to have a plus. And then plus 4. So that's all you do. Attempt those. Right answers, you get more credit than attempted wrong ones. And do this sheet for homework. I'll take it up tomorrow morning, and we will review it to make sure we got it for our test.